To generate your business model, you simply have to press this button, enter your email, and here write a description of your business model, which can be from a simple sentence to a copy-paste from a document. For this example, we are going to use the business idea of Colossal Biosciences, which is a company attempting to revive extinct animals through genetic engineering. So we simply copy this brief description and paste it here. And we click send. In a few minutes, we will receive an email like this one and download the attached file. Then we double-click on the downloaded file, and it opens the business model that has been created for us. As we can see, the business model includes several sections and is quite extensive. And we see that the information included is not generic, but adapted to the business model we have described. For example, there is a market trend that is an increasing interest in biodiversity restoration, or it correctly describes the de-extinction services the company offers. It tells us that the pricing model depends on the scope and requirements of the project. It proposes a mission for the company, identifies the main activities to carry out, identifies the main revenue streams such as research grants and funds, suggests sources of funding like private investors and venture capital, or identifies all the legal aspects we need to consider. We can copy and paste this document into our preferred text editor. And from there, add, modify, or delete what we deem appropriate. The idea is not for it to give us the perfect business plan, but a starting point to reflect and make better decisions about our business.